What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Yong from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw the top edge of the glasses. We leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve like a half circle coming in and then out. Let's leave a gap and line that up on the right. Now from the bottom we're going to draw a straight line going all the way out towards the end of the glasses. Draw a short angle line coming down. Now it's going to round out the side. Pull that in, and then close off the top with another straight line. Now underneath the frame, we're going to draw on the lens. Let's start from this point. We're going to draw a half circle, coming all the way around, up, and just pull that in along the inside, and then we'll line that up on the right, coming down, around, and then up. Just pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval, come down, and then up, and then line that up on the right side. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Let's connect the lens with two bars. Starting from the very top, draw two lines going across, leave a gap, and draw that again. Now along the top, we're going to draw the eyebrows. Let's start from the left. We're going to go up, round this out, and then come down. And we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Let's move down and draw on the nose. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a half circle, going up, across, and then down. And we'll round up the bottom. Now we're going to move down and draw on the mouth. Let's start right in the middle with a point. From here we're going to bend this out and up, round up the mouth, and pull that in towards the center. Let's go back up to the top, going up, round up the mouth, and then bend that back in. Let's add two angled lines, one coming down on the left, and then one on the right. Now in between the nose and the mouth, we're going to draw two lines for the mustache, going up and then out. Now before we draw on the head, let's draw that necktie coming down the right side. We're going to start from the edge of the glasses, coming down and in, go straight down, angle this up and out. Now it's going to taper this up and then in towards the side of the glasses. Let's go all the way over towards the left side. We're going to draw the cheek. We're going to go out, round up the head, pull this across the middle, and just tuck that up in behind the tie. Now on the side, we're going to draw two large half circles for the ears, going out and then in. And then on the right, we're just going to tuck this in behind the tie. Now let's add the sideburn. From the top of the ear, coming around and then down. Then add the fold of the ear. Let's go to the top of the glasses. We're going to add a curve going up above the eyebrows and then back down. Now we're going to go to the top of the ears, bend the tie going around and then in. Curve this up in the middle, across, and then down. Let's add that small detail on the bottom of the tie. We're going to start right in the middle. We're going to go up, go around the bottom, and then back down towards the center point. Add two angled lines. Now along the top, add two curves. Now we're going to draw two parts of the hair. Over on the left side, let's start by curving this up. Go across. Now we want to bring this down towards the side of the head. Bend this up. Go all the way across towards the top and then down. Let's go back to the tip. Tuck this in behind the head. Now let's draw on the left side. We're going to start right here. We're going to go up, around, and then down. Tuck this in toward the side. Now let's go back to this part. Curve this up and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start on the left side, bend this out, and then down towards the hip. Move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go back to the center, draw a V coming down and then up. From the ends, draw the collar coming down and out. Then angle this up towards the top of the body. Let's add two circles on the tip of the collar. Now we're going to add a strap going across the body. Let's start underneath the collar on the left, curve this across, and then out just up above the hip. And then from the hip, we're going to draw that same curve going across and then up. Let's go back to the center, draw a straight line coming down, go underneath the strap, bend this down, and then out. Now we're going to take the same curve, step up, draw the top of the belt, and then the edge of the buckle. Let's add a simple badge over on the right side. We'll start from the top with a small rectangle, and then draw another rectangle going in behind. Let's go back to the buckle. Step down, add a curve, coming down and up. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, and then bring that down towards the same height. Now let's round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot, going up and then down towards the heel. Now we're going to go back up to the hip, curve the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Now I'm going to add a thick sole across the bottom. Let's take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the right. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Add a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 large fingers in a fist, starting underneath the thumb, coming down and bend that up around that bracket. Go to the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger. We're going to bend this up and then in underneath the tie. Now just up above the thumb, we'll step up, draw the edge of the sleeve going up and then out, go up towards the top, draw another curve, and then on the outside add a circle for a button. Now the arm on the left is going to be stretched out holding the bottle. From the top of the body, step out, bend this down and then out towards the wrist. Let's curl the thumb going up and then down, round out the thumb and then bend that back up. And we'll add the edge of the palm. Now from the top of the thumb, draw the edge of the bottle going up and then down, round up the side, coming down towards the bottom. Now let's go in between the thumb and the palm, add another curve, and then we'll round out the bottom. Now on the outside of the bottle, we're going to draw 3 half circles for the fingers. Start with along the top, add the second, and then the third. Now we're going to draw in the label. From the top, step down, add another curve. From the bottom, step up, bend this down, and then up. Now let's finish off the top of the bottle. From the sides, go straight up, go straight across. Now you're going to round up the side, and then flatten off the top. Let's add the cork. On the left, draw an oval going up, and then back down. Let's go back to the edge of the thumb, draw the palm coming in, and then back out in behind, and then we'll close off the bottom of the arm. Let's move in, draw the edge of the sleeve, and then one more button across the bottom, and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Yong from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.